Hard Rock. We've done body scrubs, lashes, hot tub, sauna, steam room, 2 jacuzzis, hot stone lounger beds.
Yes. And now, spicy margarita time.
Come have a snacky snack at the bar.
Yes.
Hard Rock Pool. Bubbles. Go to the RockSpa in Tampa. And I'm getting a body scrub. Birthday festivities continue. Alright. We'll sit up there and stare at them until they give us the time. Yeah.
We have to like 11.
Yeah. What do we get here? Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Look at these marks. We had the right idea, dude. This is a better mood than Circle Bar.
Yeah.
We're at
Wild thing. Sugar Factory.
Sugar Factory, baby. Getting ready to go to this spa. like the way you do that right there. Pretty. Oh, he can get his suit right there. I'm returning that cup holder.
Familiar.
Yeah, this is looking more like what I remember. Yep. Okay, we're gonna veer left. Yep. I think it's this way.
Up more. This one's further down.
It's like backwards. See, that's gonna be me. See her in her shiny suit? Not the SIG though. I'm gonna get that shiny suit. I think I know it. Okay, we're on the way to the Hard Rock if Beverly ever gets her butt out of the house. Let's go.
Let's move it.
All right, how do you look on there?
I look awesome.